early stream. Not early stream, but it's early for the stream. On the road right now. Let's see how AMC, GameStop are working. Gary's popped in already. Gary, first comment on here. All right. AMC got a little bit. Whoa, AMC and GameStop, as we go on live, are getting smacked. Okay. Bring up everything I gotta bring up here that we can take a look at for Power Hour. AMC and GameStop actually made a nice comeback today. After that halt to the downside, that was interesting. All right, let's see what we got working with. How's everybody's days going? You guys at work? You listening to audio? You sitting home? Also, guys, let me know if the music is too low, too loud. So yesterday, here, let me make sure before I say anything. Indicators. All right. Yesterday we surpassed 226 million in volume, and today we are at 192 million right now. We have an hour left on the day, so we'll see what happens here. But we want volume to hopefully pass what we had yesterday. If not, it's cool. If you get the fact that you had 192 million volume already on the day, and AMC is completely trading sideways, all this chop is absolutely absurd. This is going to be a hefty spring coming into tomorrow or the next day. Yo, Liebert's in here. It's good, dog. Yo, Brandon. Do you think the halt prevented the squeeze for today? I don't think it was squeezing, because I mean, we are on a T+2, so I can't tell you data from 2 days ago, but what I can tell you is the run-up, let me see, the run-up for the first, okay, so AMC and GameStop have been moving up for about 10 consecutive green days before today, and I can tell you the first 7 or 8 of those days, shorts weren't covering. They were actually increasing their position. So what you saw was Gamma and FOMO kicking in, which is actually better for us because shorts have not covered, and we're all the way up to $30 without even squeezing at all. So beautiful thing to see. I think the downside halt probably prevented a little bit of a move today, because as soon as it halted to the downside, you probably had so here's the thing. It could have went one of two ways, right? This downside halt could have been a move to try and get people to sell off this stock. But since you had a downside halt, it probably spooked everybody with heavy gains on options and made them take some profits, which I also did this morning with calls, but I bought back in. Made them take some profits, which honestly just kept the ball rolling and didn't let them push the stock down too far. We also didn't really come all the way down to support. We kind of just tapped it at 26.40. We kind of just tapped it over there. So we bounced right back up immediately. That was a beautiful thing to see. Let's see. The halt helped the squeeze for tomorrow. We'll see. Today, if you get a nice little hammer candle, I think it could be a nice spring for tomorrow. What's up, Dino? How you doing? What does shorts getting covered mean? So if you go long on a stock, you buy it, okay? So I buy a stock at $30 on AMC, right? If I want to sell it, I get out of the long position by selling the stock, okay? It creates selling pressure. When shorts, say a short got in at the same price, $30, what happens is it requires them to buy the stock back to deliver back to the broker to close their position. So it's completely opposite. It makes buying pressure. And why would they do this? It's if you're expecting the stock to go down. So if you wanted to short something, right, like shitty Robinhood, let's see what Robinhood is at. Because I have puts on Robinhood. Robinhood's at $16. If you expected this to drop to 13, you're gonna short it. Let it drop to 13. You're gonna buy back at 13. Give it to broker. You made $3. And opposite if you go long, right? You buy it at 16, expect it to go 19. You sell at 19. It creates selling pressure at 19. So that's really just what it means. It's just completely opposite of going long. Let's see. What do you think we will close at today? Let's see. What do I think we will close at today? Let me take a good look at it before I give you my answer here. Guys, let me know if the music is too loud, too low. All right. I think we'll close. It depends, but I do think we'll close at about almost where we're at, $30.15 to like $30.30. Unless obviously, I mean, right now it's not really giving me anything to take a look at, except that it's going to be a sideways day. So we'll see. But as of right now, the gamma is absurd. 136,000 calls expiring in the money for AMC right now. As for GameStop, you have almost 26,000. Let's see here. Music is good. All right, appreciate it. Yeah, I think it's healthy if we close flat out today on at $30 for everybody hopping in. This is a healthy day, healthy thing to see. You can take a look at it, right? You have 193 million in volume and just a sideways trading day, a little hammer candle. This is an insane buildup for the days to come. This is spring action. Not only that, but we had a halt to the downside, and it didn't spook the stock enough at all. It didn't spook the stock enough at all. We rebounded right after, and just the fact that you have absurd amounts of volume and it's holding up 4% on the day, this is going to be an insane spring action come for the next few days. This is all my opinion. I could be completely wrong, but this is how I'm looking at it. History is repeating itself. Today is looking like May 28th, 29th. May 28th to June 1st. Somewhere in that time frame right there. Let's see what's going on. Appreciate everybody hopping in. For all the audio listeners, AMC is currently trading at $30.30, up 3.2% on the day. You think it goes crazy tomorrow or Thursday? GameStop getting smacked as we speak. Do I think it goes crazy tomorrow or Thursday? Personally, I don't want to get anybody's hopes up, but yeah, I think you see something major happen. And the reason I say that is because let's just take a look at this. The reason I say that is right now you have 136,000 calls expiring in the money for AMC. And what that's doing is not only that, but you have major FOMO. There's eyes on the stock. There's 194 million volume trade today, 226 yesterday, and we're staying green for the 11th or 12th day in a row. I would consider this day a cool off, even though we're staying green. And the fact that we had a volatility halt to the downside just brought more eyes on the stock in general. So now people are seeing this, they're looking at it. And all we have to do is clear over $40. If we clear over $40, you have an additional 61,000 call contracts getting put in the money. Now, let's just take this for a scenario right here, right? SPY is at 461.26. Also fighting a resistance here, high of the day. Let's see what happens with the SPY. But let's just take this for an example. Let me pull up my trading view and actually chart this out for you since we have some time here. This is my answer. Will it go crazy for tomorrow? But I want to take a look. All right. So here on the SPY, from the lows let's see, from the lows of February 24th to today, SPY is up over 50 points, up 13% plus. So all the shorts, the bears, they want a bear market. This is the opposite. SPY broke through several resistance points and money is being pumped back into the market. And honestly, from where SPY is at now, I don't see it having an issue with coming up to 464 or even 470 and testing it out up there. You should see it mirror over to AMC and GameStop, the amount of money that's pumping into the market. And honestly, same with the IWM, 211.66. It broke out of its resistance. And I don't see it having a problem coming all the way up to 215. So the more money being pumped back into the market, there's just several things, several reasons why I think AMC and GameStop have room to run. Tomorrow, Thursday, Friday. Let's see, if history repeats itself, should the squeeze happen by Friday? The squeeze is not gonna, I don't want to say happen by Friday. It could start, don't get me wrong. But it's not gonna last, because I'm pretty positive the days to cover is over 3 days. So I don't think you're gonna be able to, I don't think it's possible that it's gonna squeeze this week, just because there's going to be insane amounts of halts going on. There's just way too much that comes into it. Because as soon as they start covering, they actually start covering, and it becomes a short squeeze, anybody who's ever heard about AMC stock, mother of all short squeezes, is going to be piling in this. You're going to have, let me take a look at this back here. Let me bring up the volume indicator. Volume. It could start this Friday. But the volume on AMC, when we peaked at $72, was 757 million. And that was majority of Gamma. But if you come back to the day AMC hit $20 for the first time, you'll see that it hit 1.216 billion in volume. Billion. Okay, that's billion in volume. I think. And remember, they had to take the buy button away there, or they had to take the sell button away there, or the buy button away there. And I don't know. I think you're gonna see at least double that when the squeeze actually comes, because it's been over a year of buildup, and there's just way too many people who've learned so much about the market and how to trade options. That's getting the ball rolling for them. Know when to get in, when to get out. You're gonna have several halts and things like that. But if we were going to say to a T, right, if you were thinking that, if history were to repeat itself to a T, which is majority unlikely to see, but you're seeing it super, super close here. What you could see tomorrow, if history repeats itself, is a 120% day. If history was repeating itself, that's what you would see tomorrow or Thursday in the next 2 days. You would see 120% gain on a single day with AMC stock. And that's just based off of what happened in May, June. Okay? Let's see here. All right, everybody popping in here. I appreciate it. AMC is currently trading at $30.40. God, I look fucking crazy. All right. Up 3.78% on the day. GameStop is actually red, down 1.2% on the day, trading at 187.54. Let's see, the Discord's going off. Guys, if you want to join the free Discord, the link is down below. Feel free to do so. Let's see what the Discord is saying here. All right. AMC, GameStop. What do you guys predict at close today for AMC? As long as we're above 27. Okay. Someone in the Discord says as long as we're above 27, we're happy. We're good. Listen, honestly, AMC had a 45% day yesterday. The fact that we're holding sideways, everybody should be thankful. I don't think there's much more we could ask for. The fact that we're not red and we're up 4% after a 45% day, uh, anybody who's on Twitter, on YouTube saying that this is fake, you should sell, this is dead cat, has absolutely some brain issues. I'm just going to put it out there. Leroy, what's up, bro? How's your day going? We have about 45 minutes left of Power Hour. We're just chilling, hanging out. I got my charts pulled up here on Webull on TradingView. Got the options chain pulled up here. The GameStop and AMC Stonko tracker pulled up right here, and we're just chilling. We got the music going, music flowing. 136,000 calls now in the money for AMC. Calls are super risky, but they are heavy leveraged, and personally, I don't recommend anything. But the plane. Holy shit, guys. Wish me luck. I think Russia's coming. All right. I think options for AMC and GameStop right now, it's super risky because it's super volatile. But at the same time, if you have money that you're willing to risk, you could make a shitload off of some calls, at least like 30 days out, giving yourself some time. But it is super risky. Once again, money you're willing to lose. What the fuck? Hold on a minute. Some weird shit going on in Discord here. Alright, let's see. Alright. AMC up 4%. There's really not much going on. So we're just ultimately just sitting here chilling, hanging out. Yeah. Hedgie's shorting my Discord. I know. Let's see. Okay, this guy's a fucking weirdo. Time to ban someone on my Discord again. Let's see. Oh, man. Sorry, guys, 1 second here. I'm trying to. All right. Hold on 1 second, guys. Oh. Yeah, I know. I just banned him. Some shit is going on with the Discord. I don't know. Oh my gosh. I hate when the fucking bots come in, because then I had to do that. I had to hop off stream and work on that. And now there's literally random bots joining the Discord. I have no idea what's going on. Absolutely beats me. Alright. Alright, for everybody still in here, I'm sorry about that. I don't blame the people who did leave. I had a problem with the Discord. Some fucking... Okay, I don't know what's going on with this. Yeah, I think Kenny joined my Discord. Kenny's fucking with my Discord. I don't know, dude. I don't know what's going on Discord. I don't know. I think I'm not even lying. I think somebody's hacking Discord, which would not be fun. Um, oh shit. All right. Yeah, it's not even. It's not even like. It's not even like that though, Adam. It's like not only did a bot join and start posting shit, but I'm having like issues. Like the fucking links that were sent, I couldn't ban this bot that joined. It wouldn't let me ban him, and then now my computer's getting all fucked up. I don't know if it's being hacked or what, but we'll see. Uh, yeah, I think. Let's see. A man with tools says I am down 10% on BBIG. $3 call for 414. Should I bail on it? Let me pull it up. I have to reload everything. I can give you my opinion on that. Yeah, some guy. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's going on with the Discord, guys. I have no idea. All right. Well, I'm reloading the computer here. While we're sitting here, what's your closing price for AMC? Let's hear it. Again, I'm sorry about all that bullshit. Have to reload everything here now. Can Jimmy end green today? Definitely could happen. Definitely could happen. I just have to reopen everything now because I don't know what happened, got hacked, whatever, but alright. Alright, let's get this going now. Do I think AMC spikes before closing? I wanna get my charts pulled up before I answer any of these because I don't want to just wing it. But I am gonna give you my honest opinion in 1 second. Okay, alright, here we go. I'm gonna pull up everything here. Got the music. I see a lot of people on Twitter are saying 35 plus, but I highly doubt it. Yeah, I don't know who you're seeing post that, but it could happen. Let me. Oh, that's so annoying. That's so annoying. The other 15 people who were in the stream probably just got super bored because I was fixing some shit with the Discord and just got a problem with the computer. Oh, that's so fucking annoying. All right, let's catch up on these questions here. Okay, can GME end green today? GameStop can definitely end green today. It's only down 1.5% here, and I think it's honestly just testing and holding certain supports. It's kind of just hanging choppy. But if you take a look at it on the 15-minute chart, GameStop looks beautiful for the day. It's sold off all the way down to about 163. Yeah, 163. Popped back up, climbed, and then kind of just consolidated, climbed, consolidated again. I think if GameStop does move, it's probably going to be after hours, but we'll see. And let's see what AMC. AMC spikes before closing. It's honestly impossible to tell, but I do think we get a little bit of a move at some point in the day. We're making higher highs and higher lows, which is a beautiful thing to see with AMC. You're kind of in this. Let's see if I can map it out here. You're kind of in this rising wedge on AMC. Let me bring my drawings back in. All right, let me draw this out for you guys so you get the point here. All right. AMC is in this rising wedge, and ultimately you're looking for a follow through, a breakout to the upside, hopefully. But this is ultimately what you're working with on the day and come from yesterday. So you're in this rising wedge pattern and you're looking for a breakout right here. It would be after hours. So hopefully we do see some action after hours or pre-market. and hopefully not a break to the downside. If you break to the downside, you're looking at 27.70, or to come down to the support at around $26. Either way, both of those, you're still up a substantial amount on the week. So I think it'd be perfectly fine if AMC wanted to cool off. But it really doesn't look like it's going to, just due to the fact that volume is still super high. Volume 198 million for the day. We're about to hit 200 million with about a half hour left on the day. So if we do get some crazy spikes, maybe you'll be able to see the volume surpass yesterday's volume. But I don't know. You'd have to see some serious moves here. Yeah, if anybody hopped out and hopped back in the stream, I'm sorry for that before. Someone joined the Discord, was probably hacking through it or whatever. I don't know what the fuck was going on, but had to take care of that. And we're back on. Nick Nelson saying close at 35. Let's check it out. Your hair and thumbnail, I know, it looks crazy. I showered after that, and I showered before that. All right, let's see. Nick Nelson on Twitter. Who is Nick Nelson here? Because we have time. Biden has proposed a 20% tax on unrealized asset gains for households with over 100 million. Do you support this? Guys, let me know your thoughts on Biden's taxing the rich type things. Oh shit. I gotta be looking at the wrong Nick Nelson here. Well, one's private, one is definitely not the right one, and there's a third option here, Nick Nelson. There's fucking several Nick Nelsons on here. Yeah, I can't find it. I don't know how trustworthy these source is, but whatever you're thinking. The FOMO people probably buying in are probably just because it's clear as day just looking at the charts, thinking that it's going to go back up to 70. The same exact run-up is happening that you saw back in May. It's good, Chris. Bro, we had mad like 26 people in here, and then somebody was hacking the fucking Discord, and then we had to fix that and literally re-hop on, so everybody hopped out of here. Chris says, who watching the Rebirth stream tonight with lottery stocks? Yeah, guys, if you want to pop in that on Twitch, we will be streaming tonight. There's a tournament. We're going to be doing some Warzone if you guys want to hop on that. Those billionaires own companies for which will raise their consumer prices, so it will affect us little people also. Yeah, I know. There's always a trickle down the tree. It's not just meant for rich people. There's always something that people don't think of. They just think about what they're told right up front. All right. AMC and GameStop really not moving. I expected something to happen for Power Hour, but let's see, a man with tools. And they won't stop with the rich. Yeah. For sure. All right, so everybody's on the same page here. Everybody's on the same page here with that. We talked about debt yesterday, too. Someone was talking about debt. I don't know if you're in the stream right now, or I don't remember who it was, but we were talking about how you can actually leverage debt for you. There's ways around that, right? A lot of people think of debt as a bad thing. But if you think about it, hold on, let me see. This music is getting a little loud here. Weird ass song. There's some ways you can utilize debt to actually help you out. And reasons are one example is, let's say you just I'm trying to remember what I said yesterday. I don't even remember. Say you buy a house and you take out a loan for the house. You're in debt on that loan. Or let's say you can even say you bought Bitcoin with the loan. Whatever it is. Whatever. You bought a liability, you bought an asset. It increases in value or stays flat, hopefully. Let's say the housing market goes up and the US dollar drops in value, or gains value in that sense, right? You're gonna owe less psychologically if you or technically if you think about it, and then really you just got free money. There's a bunch of loopholes. I'll make a video about it, but right now my mind is not clear. I'm still thinking about this whole Discord thing going on. Don't want the Discord to get fucked up. We're almost at 200 members in the Discord. If you want to join, it is free. The link is in the description right here. I'm trying to make sure that everything is clear with the Discord. Did you ever get a chance to look at BBIG you booting? Yeah, I was booting my computer. I completely forgot. Thank you for reminding me. The Discord thing is that big of a deal. It was probably some troll. Yeah, it probably was some troll. All right. Let me look into this BBIG thing before I forget. You had, let's see, what kind of calls did you have? I'm pretty sure you said you're down 10% on BBIG, $3 calls, 414. Should I bail on it? You're still down because BBIG just got a little bit of a pop here, up 10% on the day. That's up to you to bail on it. I don't know how bad the theta is, but it seems like you got about 2 weeks left. I bailed on my 414 call for AMC this morning and bought back in further expiration. But BBIG is at resistance. It touched this point twice at about $3.32. You want to see a clean break. If you get a clean break below over that, you should be good. Personally, if it's just one contract or two contracts, between 1 and 5, honestly, I'd probably just let them ride. BBIG is looking nice, but that's just in my opinion. If it's not money you're willing to lose, then pop out with your 10% L if you want to. Let me know if you have any feedback on that or what you're gonna do. T Will says you show what plays you're getting into. I'm not really getting into anything right now, but I do announce them. I just announced the short today. By the way, Sundial is flagging out here. Hopefully we get a breakout towards end of day or after hours. But I make shorts on what positions I'm in. So I have shares of Sundial, shares of AMC, calls on AMC, and puts on Hood right now. Those are it. I don't want to grab too much at the same time, but those are my positions right now. All right, let's see here. Yeah, Sundial's got a decent setup going for itself. Nice, huge flag here, looking for the breakout. Let's see. Let's see how BBIG is still moving. No, hanging out. Mullen not really doing much. Yo, what's up? Assidious? I don't know how to pronounce that. How's your day going? Appreciate you hopping in. We're just chilling. There's not much going on. So honestly, we're just hanging out, listening to this chill music, watching AMC and GameStop move a little bit. What's your share price and your position with Sundial? I'll tell you right now. I'm in Sundial at 73 cents. 73.81. 73.81. My exact. So I'm just about evening out here. Okay, let's get this out of here. Cool. I'm thinking of getting some. Oh, GameStop is green now. Yeah. Good luck if you want to get some. I just got a super small position in Sundial just because a lot of people were talking about it and it looked like a decent setup, and I was like, why not? Like, this money's either being spent on some YOLO calls on something, or I'll just grab some safe shares of Sundial and let it do its thing. Let's see. Someone said GameStop going green. GameStop going green, getting a nice little pop. How about AMC? It should transfer over here to AMC, so we'll see what happens. Let's see. This morning was ugly for Jimmy. You think the Friday in the money calls that got exercised today created that crazy spike? Saw something where the price for Jimmy was over 500. Robinhood notification. Thoughts? Yeah, I actually saw this. There was not just Robinhood. Several brokers. Another glitch, guys, and it just so happens it's fucking AMC GameStop. All these glitches with the brokers, right? But this morning I saw this too. The brokers were saying that GameStop's price was. Some people were saying it was 300. Some brokers were saying it was 500, which was crazy. So I don't know, another glitch, but you already know GameStop has been up to those prices. That's lightweight for GameStop. That's light work. That's without a squeeze, right? When AMC does squeezes, when GameStop does squeezes, is gonna fly. But was there actually a question in there? Thoughts. Oh yeah, that was honestly my thoughts on that. I think there's a little too many glitches for the same two stocks. And obviously we know there's always bullshit going on behind the scenes for AMC and GameStop. I don't really have anything to say about it. I think GameStop will eventually be back up to 300 to 500. Probably more sooner than later. But I don't know. The glitches are super weird, super suspect. But there are 27,000 calls expiring in the money for GameStop right now. 150,000 shares available to borrow. That's reported. I know cost to borrow finally started creeping up for AMC this morning, which was a good thing to see. We've been reported to us that utilization has been at 100%, but we have not agreed with that because cost to borrow hasn't been creeping up, and you saw these crazy attacks on the stock. So it's kind of clear as day that it's not 100%, but I do believe now it's getting closer to it. Robinhood occasionally has the buy button removal glitch. Weird, huh? Yeah, Robinhood, I don't know about that. I do not use Robinhood. Don't recommend it. I'm actually short, short with puts on Robinhood right now because I don't think it's a $16 stock. They announced some bullshit extending their trading hours, whatever. They extending their trading hours by an hour, and the stock shot up to 16. Robinhood's not a $16 stock. There's no way that little announcement made the company worth millions more. It just breaks my mind. Beats me. By the way, wanted to find out why you think AMC will go so much further than last year. What do you mean, go so much further than last year? Why do I think AMC will go so much further than last year? What do you mean by that? If you're talking about why I think it'll surpass 70, there's several reasons why I think it will surpass 70, and just one major reason being shorts didn't cover. Shorts. You're seeing the same thing happen again. Shorts have not covered. They did not cover. What you're seeing right now, right? We're on the 11th consecutive green day for AMC, up over 100%, and the short interest has increased. The shorts aren't getting out of their positions. I don't know if they're cooked or Kenny's got a rusty pipe in his ass, but they're not covering. So you're seeing gamma and FOMO happen, and if that's the case, and we already went to 70 without shorts covering, I just don't believe that it would make sense to not surpass that. That's just in general. That's just the general breakdown of it. But there's also a bunch of other factors that people bring in, like synthetic shares, this, that, obviously gamma. But yeah, that's really it. No problem. That's just my look on it. I'm sure there's a video on my channel where I break it down more, but right now I'm just looking at it from the basics. Guys, for everybody popping in, AMC is green on the day. You're in this ascending wedge here, and we're looking for a breakout to the upside. This is just for the overall outlook on it. You're looking for a move after hours or pre-market. That's ultimately what we're working with, but we're up 4% off of 45% day. GameStop is attempting to hold green, but now it's back in the red again, down 1.5%. Let's see, have they used? Yeah. Also, with AMC, there was, I believe, 250,000 shares available to borrow this morning. And now there's 100,000. GameStop, there's 150 right now. Let's take a look. Did any news come out for the SPY? Overall market here. Overall market broke the high of the day. Now made a high of 462.07. Beautiful thing to see. More money pumping back into the market. Okay, set as group. Let's see. All right, let's check it out. Stocks rise. Russia-Ukraine ceasefire talks. I saw something about that. I believe it was not a ceasefire. It was like some sort of cool down. Let me see. What do you think happens on tomorrow's pre-market for what, AMC? Pre-market, I don't know. I don't want to give any expectations for a pre-market session because it could be super whippy. It could be flat. I don't know. Pre-market after hours it's solely based off of, do I know what's going through shorts' heads? But honestly, I do think, I thought yesterday, to be fair, and I thought yesterday's after hours or pre-market was going to have a move. But that's just because of how good AMC did and also how much money is being pumped back into the SPY. But the fact that SPY is up a substantial amount from 456 to 462 on the day, and AMC is still holding up 4%. I do think you're going to have some sort of move come after hours or pre-market, just due to the fact that it's hard for shorts to stay in this bad of a bleed. At this point, they might as well just give up. At least the smaller firms, they might as well get out. In my opinion, I do think the smaller firms are probably going to get out after hours or pre-market one of these days. It's better if they try and get out now because they can get out within the volume, back and forth volume, which is what you may or may not have seen, but I doubt it. Yeah, GameStop's back red, yep. GameStop down almost 2% here. We have about 15 minutes of power hour left. This is kind of just a slow stream, slow hangout session. But ultimately, this is the spring coming into tomorrow and the next day. This is the spring that you see, and it's just, I don't want to keep going. Fuck. All right. Gotta wake up here. It's just super weird how identical the run back in May was to now. And I want to see what's going to come, what's going to happen. There was rules supposed to be finalized by the SEC. I have yet to see them finalized, okay? These bullshit-ass proposed rules that were proposed late February, and they were supposed to get approved and finalized early March, according to a bunch of YouTubers, right? yet to see that. I haven't seen any of these finalized, and this annoys me. And the reason for that is because if you just take a look at how identical this is, right? You're going to see, okay, we're just going to take this hammer candle right here, okay? The hammer candle is when it stays flat. That bad boy, and you're just going to bring it over, and you're going to see the same exact thing, right? Okay, the run-up's happening right here. Okay, notice how back here, shorts did not cover on this. This was Gamma, FOMO, and then they took the, well, actually, the first run, they took the buy button away. But this was Gamma, FOMO. And what's happening here is Gamma, FOMO, because in this chunk, from what we see, right, we're on a T+2 settlement, so I can't tell you about these days, but from this chunk, you know that shorts increased their position. Short interest has risen. They have not covered. So what's happening is this is FOMO, this is Gamma, the ramp's building up. And what happens when we get to the same spot, what is going to stop them from soaking up millions of failure to delivers like they did back in May and June and shooting this thing back down? So I want these fucking rules. I want Gary Gensler. I want him to step up and take the rusty pipe out of his butthole and actually pass some fucking rules, because this is good and all. This is fun. This is awesome. But no one's here to sell at $70. And it's just super annoying that everyone is hyping it up. Oh, these rules, and they never got finalized. All it ever was drop your comments on these rules. We'll check it out. It's been over a fucking month, over almost a month and a half. And where's our rules? Where's our rules at? That's what I want to know. That's kind of just something I got a little bit flamed up about right there. All right. Is anybody still in MULN, Mullen? It's kind of just sitting, but it's respecting this overall trend line that it's been in. I think right here where it's at, actually, at $2.35 is a decision zone. If it wants to break to the downside or actually get a nice bounce here. So if you are still in Mullen, good luck on that. I'd be careful. Yeah, I'd be careful in there. But I do think Mullen does have room to run. BBIG getting a pop. Are you still in your call? If you're still in here and you're still in your call, let me know. You just saw it here, right? You got to be careful right here. You want to see it break the highs of $3.41. Okay, you want to see it surpass that for the one with BBIG calls. Keep an eye out and good luck. Okay, good luck. And if you're still in the stream, or if you're not in the stream and you hop back, good luck. Let's see what was a man with tools. Man with tools. If you're still in your BBIG calls, let me know how it's going. You're getting a nice little pop here on BBIG. I think BBIG could move very, very soon. It's fighting heavy resistance right here. I think after BBIG runs to about $3.80 and breaks over that, you could see a massive move. Massive move. Gotcha. Thank you for calling it out. No problem. Let me know if you want to disclose if you're up or down heavy percents. I assume you're probably down about 2 to 4%, or maybe even going green. I don't know. I don't remember what it was at when you asked me, but let me know how that's going for you. AMC just got smacked a little bit. Let's see. Are they trying to close it under 30? Let's see what happens with AMC options. Oh. All right. I don't know if this is the case, and I don't think they're going to be able to do so, but once AMC, if AMC stays over 30 and closes over 30, you're up 5%. Oh, that's fire. All right. If AMC closes over 30 on Friday or before, on Friday, you're going to have 30,000 calls staying in the money. So keeping us at 136,900 calls. So almost 137,000 calls compared to 106. So that's a decent sized difference. Personally, I don't think they're going to be able to keep it under 30 come Friday, especially with the stream just glitched, especially with 2 days over 200 million in volume. I don't think they're going to be able to do that. Let's see here. Plug this bad boy in. Bang. And are we charging? We are charging. All right. Yeah, this is. Let me update the audio listeners here because I haven't in a minute. AMC volume is going decent right now. It's flickering. 29.43 on the day. Just going green, going red. It's starting to bleed right now. So I kind of want to watch this. This is a super weird bleed. It's 3:51 on the day. So keep in mind what's going on with AMC here. AMC bouncing right off of the trend line, respecting it, as we clearly noted here. So respecting this overall rising wedge here, and hopefully you get that breakout. Hopefully this holds. We'll see what happens. I think right here, people may be increasing their positions, calls in stock, just to where it's bouncing off of. I wonder why this bleed is happening. Let's check. Let's check AMC right here. Okay. All right. Let's bring up some news. Let's see if there's any news on this. Why is AMC getting smacked? Oh man, Gary Gensler is such a fucking dipshit. Alright, let's see. Is anyone in here in HYMC as I'm looking for if there's any interesting AMC news that came out latest? Let's check it out. Yeah. I don't know. This bleed to me that looks a little weird. This bleed on AMC that we're seeing right now. It doesn't look natural. Let's see. So I decided to hold it because I only play small options while learning. So I only have 2. So I will sell the first one if I come up a little bit. Yeah, good stuff. That's a good way to learn. Glad you're being strict with yourself with a strategy, especially learning. A lot of people learning are just, fuck it, man. Fuck it, let it ride. Be fearful when others are greedy. This AMC sell-off is super weird. What's your selling price? It's not based off of price. I actually uploaded a video about 2 days ago, final exit strategy video. If you want to see that, you will find out how you will get max profits out of the squeeze, all in my opinion. Or if you don't want to watch that, I will be streaming the squeeze. You'll be able to watch me sell live. What do I think is happening with AMC? I think this is some sort of weird bullshit because we're at 208 volume. I think it's probably a last resort to keep us to close red, and it's not going to change much, but it's going to be some psychological warfare, right? Because if we start closing red today, anybody with certain positions that are newly opened are not going to want to hold on to the stock through the nighttime, especially with a volatile stock that's 209 million now on the day in volume. But I think it's psychological, and it's the last resort. And what happens here is, even if we close red, let me remove the drawings. Like we said earlier today in the AMC video, don't panic, right? You're seeing the same exact thing happen. And I know we've said it enough, but seriously, Okay, you had the early morning spike, and we're taking a look back here, and we actually closed red. And you're seeing the identical thing happen, and I think it's psychological. But what's going to happen is they think this is a good move and all, but what's going to happen is if they play the psychological move on people, new investors, new people who jumped into the stock and got their gains, right? What's going to happen is if this closes red come tomorrow morning, since we closed red today, anybody with calls that they have profit on are either going to exercise those or just close them or whatever. And it's probably going to be worse on their part because you're going to have what we have now, 118,000 calls expiring in the money being actually put to use. And I think it's a worse idea for them to try and get this thing to close red because it's going to cause people to panic. But not a lot of people are looking at panicking with stock positions, right? FOMO is a big part of it, but as soon as these calls get exercised, you're going to see some major moves. So I wouldn't be worried about this little push to the downside here. I personally doubt they can keep us under 30 by Friday. And the reason we're calling out 30, if you guys don't know, is because you're having an additional 30,000 calls coming into the money if we close above 30 come Friday. We have about 2 minutes left of power hour. AMC is attempting to close green. Whoa, GameStop got obliterated. I don't think this was a natural move at all. It was clearly timed. Let's see. Can we see this matched over to any other day? Yeah, no, I think today was the day where they really tried to hit us with something. And I don't believe it worked. GameStop is still respecting its overall trend line as well. I don't think what they're doing worked at all. So this is kind of funny. GameStop is really, they really just bled GameStop here. A lot worse. Let me see. AMC just choppy right here. I can't tell you if you should buy or not. That is all up to you. Let's see. Do you think it will get back to 190 mark tomorrow? GameStop? I think GameStop and AMC are both going to go green tomorrow, but it doesn't matter what I think because I'm just a dude here. But I'm not worried about their little psychological moves here. I wouldn't worry about anything. I would stay calm, cool, collected. You surpassed 200 million on both days for AMC and GameStop. In volume, you had 10, and well, actually, this could be 11 if AMC closes green. Consecutive green days, already two things off your chest right then and there. And then you have over 110,000 calls. You have 118,000 calls expiring in the money for AMC. I wouldn't worry at all. This doesn't scare me. Their psychological moves doesn't scare me. I mean, I held from fucking 77 down to 12. So I wouldn't worry about this at all. Personally, I would stay calm, cool, collected. And on the live streams are fun. They're chill. But after the stream, market is now closed. AMC closed green on the day. Except it's showing red here. Oh, is my thing glitch here? All right, guys. My Weeble's actually glitching here. This is weird. You're seeing it live, right? I'm going to show you right now. AMC closed green on the day. You can see it up 0.41% on the day. But then when I switch over to the daily chart, it actually shows that we closed red with a little hammer candle right here. I refreshed it. Super weird. We're going to do a little bit of digging. As I was saying, live streams are fun. But when the live streams are over, I do a little bit of digging and I finish up an update video and I get it out by 5:30, so about an hour and a half from now. So if you guys want to tune into that, feel free to do so. AMC closed green. You guys should feel good about today. This is prepping for spring action. This is a clean day. AMC was up 45% yesterday, and the fact that you held is absolutely beautiful. So guys, get ready for tomorrow. Get ready for the update video tonight. It was a slow stream. It was all right. It's Tuesday. We hung sideways. I was hoping to hop on stream and get a nice little push, but either way, it was still good to hang out and talk to you guys. I'm going to get working on this update video in a little bit after I do a little bit of digging for you guys. So be ready. Turn post notifications on if you guys want to see that. It should be quick, fast, and to the point. And we'll get ready for tomorrow. Overall, guys, it was a beautiful day in the stock market, and we are going to